Hello everyone, we are team Ambari.
I am Marushkina.
I am Chinmay.
And I am Kaushik from 7th grade, Extra Public School, Mysore, Karnataka.
The theme we have chosen is development. Our problem statement is design a solution to develop public transportation in India.
India has the second largest road transportation system in the world. However, the road transport infrastructure in the cities is not able to keep up the pace with the growing population in these urban areas. Across the world, bus facilities play a very important role in the transportation for commuting passengers. But there are also many transportation systems to control this, and with more people wanting transport, we also need more transportation systems.
Visited some bus stops near our school and home. We surveyed 18 people, and based on our survey, we came to know that buses never come on time to bus stops, and the reason for the delay in the arrival of buses is due to traffic jam and delay in the previous bus stop.
After going through the primary and secondary research, these are the problems we came across. We have designed an Ambari bus in such a way as to avoid congestion and overcome the delay in the arrival of buses.
The designed Ambari bus is an electric bus with a system of direct relay charging systems and has the capability to move faster in the presence of traffic as it is elevated and other vehicles don't come in contact. The bus features a motor that is attached to the wheels to enable it to move smoothly and quickly. It also saves a lot of road space. It works with a mechanism with a pulley attached to the motor and a belt around the pulley and the wheel, which in turn helps in the wheel's movement.
Bus designs come with two driver seats to allow the bus to move forwards and backwards. There is no need for two separate roads as the bus moves either forward or backward direction. This reduces space consumption. The bus comes with a light indicator at both ends to indicate the direction in which the bus moves. The indicator has two LED lights while going forward. The front green LED and the back red LED turn on. In the same way, while moving backwards, it's vice versa.
Wheels of the bus rest on tracks which enable smooth movement of the bus and also prevent the bus from moving out of the desired path and crashing into other vehicles. The tracks are very similar to the railway tracks at road crossings. I did the research document and helped in making the model.
I did the secondary research and helped in making model.
I did the survey and helped in consolidating the research document.
Thank you.